Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about our full race radiator and transmission cooler.
Our transmission cooler is 30% bigger than the stock form. And
we wanted to give the best view for Project Low Tech, so when we went to remove that stock transmission cooler, we decided that once we got there, we'd go ahead and remove the lights and take out the air conditioning condenser so you all could see the better view of the new radiator we're putting in. When we got everything out of the way and we got the new radiator set in, everything was fitting just fine, and it was a direct replacement. All the lines hooked up where they needed to go, and the AC condenser slid right back into the near factory brackets. We had also removed the horns for this installation, and as we were putting them back in, we noticed that it was a little bit tight, but we had enough adjustment in the new brackets that came with the transmission cooler. We were able to keep everything even and make those horns fit just right.